Hello everyone, let's talk about how you can build your live resume. So that will help you to share your resume as a link instead of sharing a file. Let's start by downloading a Bootstrap template. Go to Google and search for Start Bootstrap, and select Start Bootstrap website. We need to find a professional-looking resume. So search for a resume and find a good-looking template. Click on the free download link and download into the desired folder. Now is the time to download your favorite editor for JavaScript. Visual Studio Code is the preferred editor in my case. Then open the downloaded template in your code editor. In folder hierarchy, you have an image folder under Assets where we gonna change the code related to the profile picture, a JavaScript folder to hold JavaScript files and a CSS folder to hold your CSS files. We are going to modify the index.html file to reflect our data instead of what it currently has, and which is the main task you have to do in this exercise. Phase 1, I will open Versus Code and I will use the plugin called a live server. That will help you to open HTML files on the browser via Versus Code itself. So open the downloaded folder in VS Code and right-click on the index.html file and click to open via live server. So let's open the index.html file in VS Code and start modifying it. I'll change my name, profile picture to start with. You can find the image folder and replace the current profile picture with your professional-looking photo. Now again navigate to the browser and see whether you can see the changes. In the menu items, we do not need everything available in the template. So I am going to remove some of the menu items and I will keep only About, Experience, Education in my resume. It is up to you to keep or remove. Then you can go to section by section and update your data. Make sure to frequently visit the web page and see the expected changes are there. So keeping your resume opened, you can easily copy data to this file. But here I will stick to the existing style and format without changing CSS styles. Let's discuss how we can change the styles in another tutorial. Under the Skills section, template creators have used a library called FAB which floating action buttons and added some buttons to make it nicer. Read a little bit about that if you need to make more changes. So, repeat the same process until you replace the data here with your own data. So follow this video to see the changes I am doing here. Please ask any questions in the comment section or put comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video and if you like to receive more similar videos. It really motivates me to make more tutorials and share them with you. I'll remove the interest section and some other sections that we do not need to keep. Okay, repeat the process, monitor it, review it and complete this task. Log in to the GitHub account and create a new repository. You have a few methods to upload your simple project to the new repository. You can use the command line tool as advised in the GitHub new repository page. Or use a Git client if you are familiar with a Git client like Git GUI or Fork or SourceTree or any like that. Or you can do a file upload. Follow the video to upload your files easily, and this is made for even a non-technical person to catch up. In a later tutorial, let's talk about how we can use the command line tools. So now is the last step, just to update this in GitHub pages. Go to GitHub settings and scroll down to the GitHub pages. Update the source section to main. Then you can see the generated link in the same section. So that is it. Now you have a nice way to share your resume with someone else. We will discuss in a later tutorial to use React.js and some styling to do the same exercise in an even better way. If you subscribed already, please click on the bell icon to get notifications when you receive the new videos. Wonderful. See you in the next video.